How to find a new tab on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find a new tab on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Google Chrome and now click on those 3 points up there and click on the first option, which is new tab. And like you see now, it's a new tab. Just click on the number 3 up. You see the number 3 up there. If you click a new tab again, it's number 4 because you open a new tab again. You can just click on X and delete, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.